Hello, good day, guys. Okay, welcome to this Tech Hub channel. Now, still on our CSS. So today we'll be talking about how to use class and ID in our CSS. Now, let me explain what class is all about. Now, a class is a unique identifier. A unique identifier. Okay, we use class to uniquely identify a particular tag. Let's say, for example, you have the tag called P and you want to apply the styling in P, that is the bold, the color, and so on and so forth on P. Okay, now instead of using the P tag, you could use the class name. You could use the class name. Let me just give you a scenario. Let's say, for example, two students are in a class and they have the same name, let's say as John. Now, the moment the teacher calls John, the two John stand up. Now there will be a confusion in the class that which of the John is the teacher referring to. So to solve that confusion, what we'll do is that we give each John a unique identifier. So most time they say John tall, John short, or they call them by their surname just to differentiate the two John. So that is what class is all about. So let's say we have our P here. Now the class will say the class should be what? Can give it anything. Can say anything, any letter, anything of your choice. Then you close this. Then let's say I have hello. Now watch it. Watch this. I have hello. You can see P class equals what? TT hello. So instead of saying P open brace color, instead of doing this color red, just see see what I have here. You can see now instead of saying P equals instead of calling the P tag, I'll just call the class, which is TT. So I'll start with dot. Dot means I'm calling the class. The name of the class is called TT. You can see that. That's all. Dot TT. Then run this. And see I have my red. So that is how to use your class in CSS. Okay. So let's say I have a font size. Say I have font size. So let's say I have font size as 40, for example. So let me run this. So we have. So that's the essence of class. Okay. Now let me show you. What if you have another P that says goodbye? Now watch what happens here. Now if I run this P that has goodbye will not work. Okay, because it's only seeing the class. You can see it now. It won't work because it's only seeing what I'm only calling the class. But if I say P, both this hello and goodbye will have these functions. The color, you can see that. So that is the use of class. The use of class in CSS. Now, what if I want to use the word ID instead of using class? I could use the ID. The ID is also the same function of the class. Okay, but on this ID, I won't say dot tt. I'll call it hash id hash id. Let me run this. So okay, so then I'll say hash. not id, hash tt. Okay, hash tt. Then I'll run this. So what I have, very good. You can see that. So that is, so the hash is for id. It means id, then name, then the dot is for class, then the name. So that's it. How to use class and id in CSS. Thank you. If you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section, subscribe and like the video. See you in the next class. Bye.